Alright, gonna do another cephalic blood draw on Miss Peanut here. Other leg, of course. Alright, so it's got some good restraint. Veins nice and occluded there. Girl. So maybe just stretch your leg out a little bit further. There we go. Perfect. Alright, I got a little poke. Ouch. Wiggly one.
Nice job, Glenn.
Thank you. Yeah, this one's bleeding a bit.
Good puppy.
Almost. She's 20.
What?
I know.
No way.
Looks real good for 20, right?
So here's Glenn drawing blood on like the doggy version of the world's oldest man.
Right, almost at a pup. That should be
It's so brave.
blood.
Brave old puppy.
Okay, I'll just throw on a band-aid here. Stop further bleeding.
What was the 620?
And that is it.